Now we divide 908 by 4 in a long division method. 4 times 2 is 8. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 4. So we put down this 0 and it is 10. 4 times 2 is 8. On subtracting we get 2. So again this 2 is less than 4. So we put down this 8 and it is 28. 4 times 7 is 28. On subtracting we get 0. So 908 divided by 4 is 227. So this much for today and thanks for watching.